Hello, friends. Here are world's top 5 AI websites with free resources which can play a huge role in your life career. 1. TensorFlow. TensorFlow, developed by Google Brain, is a comprehensive open-source platform designed for machine learning and deep learning tasks. It offers a flexible ecosystem of tools, libraries, and community resources to build, train, and deploy machine learning models. TensorFlow supports both beginner-level high-level APIs, like Keras, and low-level operations for experts needing granular control. The platform is widely used in industries for applications ranging from image recognition to natural language processing, and it can be deployed on mobile devices, desktop applications, or even distributed systems in the cloud. 2. pytorch. pytorch, created by Facebook's AI Research (FAIR) lab, is a widely used open-source deep learning framework that provides dynamic computational graphs, which makes it incredibly flexible for research and experimentation. It's particularly popular among academics and researchers because it is easy to use, integrates smoothly with Python, and supports both CPU and GPU acceleration. pytorch's ecosystem includes libraries like Torch Vision for computer vision tasks, making it a versatile tool for developing deep learning models for applications such as NLP computer vision and reinforcement learning. 3. scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a powerful Python library for classical machine learning algorithms and is built on top of SciPy, NumPy, and Matplotlib. It provides simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis, making it a perfect tool for beginners and advanced users alike. Scikit-learn covers a wide range of machine learning tasks, including classification, regression, clustering, and dimensionality reduction, and is ideal for small to medium-scale applications. It's widely adopted in academic research and industry for its ease of use and integration with other scientific Python libraries. 4. Kaggle. Kaggle is a leading online platform for data science and machine learning competitions. It allows data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts to compete on real-world problems by providing access to datasets and coding environments, Kaggle kernels. Beyond competitions, Kaggle serves as a global community for sharing data science insights, offering free online courses, and engaging in collaborative learning. Kaggle's massive repository of datasets and tutorials helps individuals practice AI, improve their skills, and solve complex problems using machine learning. 5. Openai. OpenAI is a renowned artificial intelligence research organization that aims to create and ensure that advanced AI benefits all of humanity. OpenAI is well known for its groundbreaking models like GPT Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which powers many state-of-the-art natural language processing tools. OpenAI provides free access to research papers, tools, and APIs that allow developers to leverage AI in their own projects. Its commitment to safety, ethics, and transparency ensures that AI technology develops in a way that maximizes its societal benefits while minimizing risks. These websites not only provide free access to tools and resources, but also enable developers, researchers, and learners to explore, build, and deploy machine learning models for various AI applications. Please like and share our videos and subscribe channels. Thanks for watching.